how to remove delay in Streamlabs OBS for low latency streaming. This will help you interact with your audience in real time, making your streams more engaging and enjoyable. So let's get started. First, open up your Streamlabs OBS. If you don't have it installed, head over to your Streamlabs website and download the latest version. Next, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, go to the stream media. Make sure your stream type is set to streaming services and choose your preferred streaming platform. Now go to the advanced tab. Here you see an option for low latency mode. Enable this option to reduce the delay between your stream and your viewers. Next, head over to the output tab under the streaming section. Set the encoder to the hardware NVENC if you have an Nvidia graphics card. Now set your bitrate to a suitable value depending on your internet speed, typically between 2500 to 6000 kbps for 1080 streaming. Now go to the video tab. Set the base canvas resolutions and output scale resolution to 1920 by 1080 or to 1280 by 720 depending on your preference and hardware capability. Once you've configured all the settings, click Done and start your stream. Test the latency by interacting with your chat or using a low latency monitor. You should notice a significant reduction in delay. And that's it. You've now optimized Streamlabs OBS for low latency streaming.